This recipe today is my ode to all my friends and their families in Kerala and the ones who are now traveling across the globe who have their origins from Kerala. The recipe that I'm showing you today is a cucumber pachadi. In India, you get various varieties of cucumber. The one that I'm using today is the Madras cucumber. Now, where it gets the moniker from, I have no clue. Let me know if you know in the comment section below. What's important is to peel this cucumber. It's also known as a yellow cucumber or a curry cucumber because this is the version that needs to be cooked. So first things first, peel the skin off, then de-seed this and cut this into little pieces. Once the cucumber is cut and ready, we'll transfer all of this into the cooking vessel. To this, I'm going to add in 1 green chilli, which is broken into a few pieces. Along with this, a little bit of salt. For now, I think this is just perfect. A cup of water. We turn the flame on and allow this to cook covered till the cucumber is nice and soft. This would take somewhere around 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. By the time this is cooking, let's quickly make a mixture of coconut and another few things. The paste begins with coconut, which is freshly cut, grated or scraped. The choice is completely yours. Let's take this in a mixie jar. A couple of green chilies more. This is actually like a raita, like an accompaniment, like a whole course in itself. Pachadi really cannot be defined because it is so wonderful by itself. Cumin seeds, untoasted, and along with this, mustard seeds. Now these are black mustard seeds which add in that wonderful nuance and flavor and pungency to this recipe. To grind this, I'm adding in just like a couple of teaspoons of yogurt, which is not required really at this stage. But that in a way reduces the use of water in this recipe because water is already there while cooking the cucumber. Remember that. Let me grind this into a paste. Let's scrape in all these wonderful bits and push all of this back in the center. Let me add in all the curd at this stage. Let's cover this and now grind this further, and like I said, just like a chutney. The cucumber is almost 3/4 cooked. The chutney or the paste is also done and ready. Let's add this to the cucumber, which is now getting cooked. Let's scrape in all of this because that's where the flavor of the pachadi lies. Let's give this a mix and allow all of this to cook now for 3 to 4 minutes. A quick few stirs to ensure that nothing of this sticks to the bottom or the sides of the pan. A quick taste test for salt. Certainly going to require some salt. And now let's move on to the final stage, and that is tempering the cucumber pachadi. A quick mix and allow this to continue cooking on the next burner. Let's bring in the tempering pan and add in some vegetable oil. Let's begin with mustard seeds. Once these splutter, I'm going to add in dried red chilies. And finally, curry leaves. With this, our cucumber pachadi is done and ready. And with this, of course, the flame. Now, you can serve this on a nice banana leaf with some red rice, some sambar, poppadoms, and of course, many more things. Enjoy Onam with your family, with your friends, and celebrate with lots of fun and laughter. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. Happy Onam.